Hey, I'm Hannelie and you are watching the Boss Models channel. The great thing about modeling is that every day is different. Sometimes you have castings, some days you are shooting, and some days you are free to do whatever you like. We've asked some of our models what they get up to.
It can be a very rainy, windy day and we shoot in the ocean or in the lake, where I have to be in my swimwear. There's not even one day that's the same. Every time I get home, I just can't keep smiling because I think about the day and it was always a lot of fun, and I'm very happy that it's done and dusted, but the next day I would love to do it again.
When I'm not working, I have my routine. I wake up early, I do my workouts, and I do the castings and callbacks I have on the day, and then I spend time with my family and friends.
Get up early, get your exercise done. You never know what else might come up during the day. Also, keep your phone close by. There are often last-minute castings.
I'm currently studying to become a biomedical engineering student. Although it can be quite demanding, I believe that you'll always make time for things that you love, and modeling is that thing for me. Whether it be on the weekend going to castings or during the weekdays in the afternoons, I always make sure that after my castings I catch up on my work. So that's me.
I am actually studying teaching part-time through UNISA online. So this actually makes it very easy for me to model and study at the same time. And all I can say is time management is key. I managed to juggle both by just when I'm not working, I am studying.
It can be tricky to have the best of both worlds between university and modeling. However, if you know there's an urgent casting or a job that's prioritized, then Boss is super supportive and understanding when it comes to studying and getting a degree, so they'll always compromise.
Currently, I'm full-time modeling. I have a business degree in cooperative management with a major in finance. I practiced for about 2 years after graduation, and then I made the decision to do full-time modeling. That's when I moved down to South Africa, a decision that I'm pretty happy with.
I'm based in Paris, so a typical day would probably be either working, or I would go to my castings by walk, study, gym, and I either meet up with somebody or go and do some sightseeing.
I'm studying fashion design at the moment. Sometimes I can leave my lectures to go to different castings and stuff, and it's been interesting because with modeling you can kind of learn the behind the scenes of fashion design and meet and network with lots of different people.
You normally start with hair and makeup. A lot of people will be having breakfast then, and you'd have your coffee and chat to everyone a little bit, get to know everyone a little bit, and then you would go into your first outfit and start shooting. Then your day just starts full speed ahead, and it's really exciting. It's busy. You're on your feet the whole day. It keeps you awake. It's a lot of times you get really tired, but it's fun.
Listen to some music, do some yoga. Makeup goes off the moment the clock stops for work. Yeah, the less makeup, the better when you are in your natural state.
Hi guys, it's Clayton here again. So as you can see, we're sitting inside my workshop. I'm currently building a Harley Davidson hardtail. Big motorcycle enthusiast, been riding bikes since I was about 9 years old. A big music fan, played guitar for many years, played in a few bands, and it's also a big passion of mine.
Hey, I'm Vince Dickson. Aside from modeling, I have a startup called Who Knew. We designed a reusable coffee cup that folds up really small and fits in your pocket. The idea is to take on single-use plastics and disposable cups And it's really amazing that modeling gives me the ability to do both and to start something like that.
Because modeling is flexible and you can make really good money, models often start their own businesses on the side. If you want to see more on what our models are up to, hit subscribe and follow us on Instagram and TikTok.